Hello everyone and hello professor. My name is Dutt Bhaskarbhai Patel and today I will be showing you assignment 3 mobile development of our course mobile and pervasive computing. I'll share you the code, how did I work on this project, and I'll also show you output of this code. So looking at our code, uh, this app allows user to search movies, view the details like descriptions, IMDb ratings, and even poster of the movies. In addition, user can uh, add to favorite their movies in their favorite list, and the app also demonstrates the integration of external APIs, and I have also used Firebase for persistent storage, and there is also interactive user interface as I have created login and registration. Talking about code in detail, there is a search activity.java, and by this user can search for movies using keywords. The app fetches data from OMDB API using the title, and then any movie with that title appears on the screen. There is a file, as you can see here, movie detail activity.java. Here, uh, when a person clicks on a particular movie, the detailed information about the movie appears, and also the ratings and IMDb rating and release year appears. In addition to this, there is favorites activity, which helps user to to star their favorite movies and edit the section if user is login. Talking about login and register, so in login, when the app runs, it the first screen appears as login screen, and the user is supposed to log in. But if user is new to our app, so he or she can register them first, and later they can log in with the email and the password, and only after then he or she is able to search for movie or add to favorite any particular movie, or in order or he or she can implement CRUD functions. uh, the main thing about OMDB API service, I would say, it is very useful to fetch movie details like description, poster, and ratings. I have implemented fetch movie details in movie details activity at the over here, and it sends a get request to OMDB API using movies IMDb ID. In addition to this, for error handling, I use try and catch block to ensure the app gracefully uh, when the API response is missing or invalid. You can say here title not available or here not available if there is any error fetching the data. Also for the description and rating, I have done error handling, but here I have used if else loop. Talking about recycler view and adapters, I used recycler view for displaying the list of movies and the favorites. Also, I have included movie adapter, and it is responsible for populating the search results. And the favorites adapter is over here, and this handles displaying and updating favorite movies. When user want to update or delete any movie which is in favorite section, all thing is done by this code. Talking about Firebase integration, for persistent storage, Firebase FireStore is used as mentioned in our lectures. When a movie is added to a favorites, its details are shown to the favorites collection in the FireStore, and the favorites activity fetch and displays the movies in the list. I have designed a responsive layout. The search screen contains an input field and a list of search results, and the movie details screen displays the title, description, posters, and buttons like add to favorites. And also, I have added going back button in order to make app user friendly. Uh, Now let's check the output of our of our application. It will take some time. Yeah. So whenever our application runs, it directly takes user to the login. And let's say if I enter any random email at gmail.com and password random, and if I click login, it always says login failed because there is no user with this email and password. So let's say I register a particular email. Let's say the 212345 at the rate gmail.com, and password I would say is password 12345. Register, and here there's a message of registration successful. So I'll use same email, the 212345 at the rate gmail.com. Let's log in. And yeah, here the login is successful. I have created three buttons for search movies, favorites, and logout. Logout is simply takes user back to the login page. Let's first go for search movie, and I can enter here any movie name. Let's say Avengers, and if I click on search button, there are all the movies with the Avengers title: Avengers Endgames, Infinity War. Let's click on the first movie. Says Avengers, and here's the movie description. Now let's add to favorite the movie and navigate to the previous page. And when I click on the favorites, I see the Avengers over here. I can do update, delete, or anything. Let's say I delete this movie. So the Avengers Ultron is gone. And let's update the description of the Avengers movie. Let's just write thriller movie based on superheroes. And if I update, I can see the description over here. Now let's see this on our Firebase network. So here we are on the Firebase website, and I have linked AWS 03 with our project with Android Studio. If I click on authentication, I can easily see the email which we have added recently, the 212345, and it's a user UID. And let's see Firestore database. Yeah, so here are the favorite movies which I have clicked, means added to favorites. And talking about the Avengers specifically, here I can see the movie description has updated. Thank you. This was my code and my effort. Thank you for seeing my efforts.